Welcome to Kasa Travels. This past August, Sandy, Bob, Rita, and I explored the beautiful town of Bayfield, Wisconsin. With perfect weather and breathtaking landscapes, we experienced the natural beauty of the Apostle Islands, from scenic hikes to relaxing waterfront moments. Join us as we share the highlights of this unforgettable trip.
She's ready, she just needs the boat now.
I did it just like they told me.
Really? Let's see the bowling.
No, I can't do it again. You want to see the one I already did?
The Bayfield Maritime Museum offers a fascinating glimpse into over 150 years of nautical history in Bayfield and the Apostle Islands. Located on the shores of Lake Superior, the museum features engaging exhibits with artifacts, interactive displays, and educational panels that tell the stories of shipbuilding, commercial fishing, and maritime life in the region. Visitors can even climb aboard historic boats, practice sailing knots, and observe a seasonal sea lamprey tank. Open seasonally with free admission, this museum is a must-visit for anyone interested in the rich maritime heritage and vibrant lake culture of northern Wisconsin. The Les Voigt State Fish Hatchery in Bayfield is a fascinating spot for anyone interested in Wisconsin's aquatic life. While tours were closed during our visit, you can still wander in to see some of the fish up close and explore a few of the informative exhibits at the visitor center. Home to lake trout, splake, and brown trout, the hatchery plays a crucial role in restocking Lake Superior and local inland waters. Even without a formal tour, it's worth stopping. So one of the big reasons that people go up to Bayfield is for the Apostle Islands. Located just off the shores of Bayfield, there's 21 stunning islands scattered across Lake Superior. The Apostle Islands offer a rare combination of raw, natural beauty and rich cultural heritage. Look at there! An eagle! It has towering sandstone cliffs and miles of beaches. Lots of historic lighthouses have guided ships for centuries. Every island has its own story to tell. The waters around the islands are famous for spectacular sea caves. Many visitors during the summer go there via kayak. Over in Cornucopia, you can walk over and see them, and people also visit during the winter where they become magical ice caves. Now I'm going to sit back and just let you watch some of the beauty. Look there! Another eagle! After the boat ride, we walked down to Hoops. Had their fish. It was awesome.
Take our picture.
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
Why not?
Because we're old ladies on a rocking
We
chair.
probably shouldn't rock though. Will we be blurry?
I don't know. We don't move that.